Alright guys, welcome back with this quick unboxing of the Lekvey upgraded ergonomic design. Let's see, 2.4 gigahertz as I said before, 6 buttons, and it's a wireless mouse for people with issues with carpal tunnels. You can hold the mouse this way. Let's see, let's open it up and see what it's like. It has your good old standard USB charging device cable, and then you hold it like this, and then you can click on the buttons, and there's a little scroll wheel as well, some extra buttons over there. Let's see, the USB comes out of this bit, and you stick this in the USB on the computer so that this can communicate with that, and there's an on button right there, and I guess you probably want to charge it before you use it anyway. Pretty cool. Comes with instructions on the inside, which nobody will ever use, but it's nice to have. And
Likey